Hey, it's Jason with Dads That Cook. Over the weekend, I got to hang out with the winner of the SF giveaway, which was Jon Ayala, his dad, Daniel, and his cousin, Rob. We got to hang out at the Giants game. It was a blast. We ate all kinds of great food. All right, we got Jon Ayala hanging out. Got his trip. He won his trip to San Francisco. What do you think, John?
It's awesome. It's huge.
So John won the big trip. He's got the big trip. He's the winner of the San Francisco trip.
Enjoying myself, that's for sure.
Having fun, man?
Yes, sir.
You got in last night?
Last night, when the Golden State Bridge, Golden Gate
Bridge. He's been calling it Golden State Bridge. All right, so these guys are going to try out some boba tea because they've never had boba tea. They don't even know what the hell boba tea is.
Tastes like a gummy bear or something.
Yeah. How'd you learn how to cook? We're asking him how he cooks.
Learn how to cook from my dad. Just cooking barbecue.
All right, Daniel. So you come to a Giants game, right? And you're wearing Packers gear.
I have
wearing Packers
blood in me.
Just started doing it over and over again, and then became curious. Cook other stuff, and
They don't serve it like this in Texas. They don't know what that is.
They don't know what it is.
They open up a can.
then now I have a easy bake oven.
You got an easy bake oven?
I got that Traeger.
Oh, he's got the Traeger, the easy bake oven. You just stick it in and the light turns on.
This is some really good stuff.
Yeah, you got the crab sandwich. Oh yeah, John. So now you got 3 kids, right?
3 kids.
You got you got twins?
Twin girls and then one baby.
All right, we're gonna go check out the famous garden here in center field. They had a great time. We had a great time. And I'm looking forward to doing another one of these so that way I can meet some more really cool people just like John and his family. So anyway, John, thanks for hanging with us and congratulations again on winning the Getaway. And look out, I'm probably gonna come to San Antonio just to see what you got. So I'll see you.